Hello everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. In this video, I would like to share with you yet another Lean process. We will talk about training. You can apply this solution to any management systems, ISO 9001, 13485, 14001, or any others. By the end of this video, you will see how you can create a lean training matrix to comply with the standards and your organization's needs without a training procedure. Stay with me. At the end of the video, I will give you a link to our lean training matrix template. Interested? Let's get started. In this exercise, we will build a training program to satisfy the requirements of elements 7.2 and 7.3 of ISO 9001:2015 standard. Let's start from extracting the requirements from the standard. 7.2 Competence. We will highlight the keywords in the list. Determine the necessary competence. Persons are competent on the basis of appropriate education, training, and experience. Take actions to acquire the necessary competence. Evaluate the effectiveness of the actions. And retain appropriate documented information as evidence of competence. We will repeat the same process as in the previous slide and highlight the keywords. Per this element, we have to ensure that persons are aware of the quality policy, relevant quality objectives, their contribution to the effectiveness of the QMS, benefits of improved performance, and the implication of not conforming with the QMS. So, in summary, we just identified the requirements that our training program has to respond to. Now, let's move these requirements into a two-column table. In the first column, we will list the requirements. In the second column, we will indicate a document that addresses a given requirement. For example, determine necessary competence. We may address this requirement in our job descriptions, and so forth. As you can see from the table, there is no mentioning of the training procedure. This means that we do not need one. My thought is that a simple training matrix with corresponding records will provide sufficient evidence of compliance with the requirements of the elements 7.2 and 7.3. Let's give it a try. This matrix defines training requirements and shows completion of the required training for personnel in a specific department. In the rows, the table lists documents, topics, or skills that particular employee in the given position should be trained on and to what level of expertise. For example, the matrix shows that a quality manager should have a trainer-level expertise as an internal lead auditor. The matrix shows that Jane Swanson, the quality manager, has completed her training for that level. We do not need lots of instructions here. Short directions in the cell comments will provide sufficient information to handle the matrix without an additional procedure. Let's do not forget the records. Per the records matrix, the training coordinator, for example, maintains the evidence of training, copies of certificates, and other related records. Many companies use this type of training matrix. Often I see businesses posting their training or skill matrices in the relevant areas and on the production line communication boards. I heard numerous times that organizations believe that displaying such information encouraging employees to obtain additional skills and higher levels of expertise. The bottom line is, if you use this training matrix, you do not need a training procedure. Well, this is just another small step to the lean management system. By now, we met our objective. we figured out how to create a lean training matrix and get rid of the training procedure. I also offered you downloads. I did not forget. Click on the link below, go to the Academy page on our website, and download a copy of this lean training matrix. While you are on the website, feel free to browse around. There is a lot of lean stuff there. Give us a call if you need help or have questions. Drop us a line if you have suggestions or ideas on lean management system topics. Please share this video with your colleagues and management. Help your business to benefit from lean concepts for ISO management systems. Click the subscribe button. We are coming with more videos on lean management system topics. Give us a like if you learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I look forward to seeing you again.